Oh, working. So doing a little experiment. I've rebuilt the ventilation box for the car, and I thought it'd be fun to see whether the fan works or whether it all goes up in flames. So I'm going to connect, sorry about the hands, I'm going to connect this little bit of cable here onto there, oops, onto there, so that's live. Try and keep that away from an earth. There we go. And then I'm going to turn this knob here with a pair of pliers, and we'll see whether it blows up. Ooh. We appear to have fanage. You can hear that blowing, but it's blowing quite well really. It hasn't worked for the last 40 odd years, if not longer. So, that's a surprise. Nice.